In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save image in GIMP with transparent background. Before you export, make sure your image actually supports transparency. In GIMP, that ability lives in something called the alpha channel. In the Layers panel, right-click your main image layer and choose Add Alpha Channel. If that option is grayed out, you're all set. Your layer already has transparency enabled. A quick visual cue is the checkerboard pattern that GIMP uses to show transparent pixels. Anywhere you see that checkerboard, there's no color. It's transparent. Next, if your background isn't already transparent, we need to remove it. Grab a selection tool that fits your image. The fuzzy select is great for solid, even backgrounds. Free select lets you click around an object for manual control. The paths tool is ideal when you want crisp, editable curves around edges like logos or icons. Carefully select the background area you want gone. Once you've got a clean selection, delete it to reveal transparency beneath. You should see the checkerboard appear where the background used to be. If parts of the background remain, refine your selection and repeat until only your subject remains over the checkerboard. Take your time around edges to avoid halos or jagged lines. With transparency in place, it's time to export. In GIMP, you don't use Save for formats like PNG. You use Export. Go to File, then Export As, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus E. In the File Name box, type a name and make sure it ends with .png. That's important, because PNG supports transparent pixels, while JPG fills them with solid color and cannot keep transparency. Click Export to open the PNG options. Here's the key setting. Make sure Save Background Color is unchecked. Leaving it checked can bake a background color into the transparent areas, which defeats the purpose. Other defaults are usually fine, but unchecking that box preserves the transparency exactly as you see it on the canvas. Now click Export again to finalize the file. To confirm it worked, you can reopen the PNG in GIMP or any viewer that supports transparency and look for the checkerboard behind your subject. And that's it. Add an alpha channel, remove the background so the checkerboard shows, and export as a PNG with Save Background Color turned off. You now have a clean image with a transparent background, ready for websites, presentations, or design projects.